I can't believe it's here! This is our favorite day of the year, a lively celebration of beauty, community, and connection. This year, our theme is Restorative Aesthetics, and it will feature everything you love. Live demonstrations of not just our most popular treatments, but top-of-the-line aesthetic procedures focusing on naturally regenerating the skin. Industry experts ready to answer all the questions you have. Our biggest discounts of the year, price drawings, local vendors, music, and delicious food. Just what you got used to in the past. Stop by the Skin Studio for a quick personal consultation and tailored recommendations from our team. New this year, the Wellness Zone. Discover our highly personalized approach to optimal health with nutritional supplements, peptides, weight management support, hormone therapy, and treatments that help strengthen and tone your muscles. All delivered with the personal care you expect from us. Come experience the restorative aesthetics for yourself. Bring a friend or three. RSVP online today at altavistadderm.com and let's make this event unforgettable.